Hi, very good evening. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in JP Nagar 9th phase, first block. There's a semi commercial house for sale on a commercial road. So you have 50 feet road in front of the property, and location it is very close, walkable from HM World City. So down you have basement for car parking, or else you can make go down easily. Two cars can be parked, and ground floor there is you have shop, easily it can be rented out with secure entrance from this side for tenants. For commercial tenants you can give an entry from here, and for residential you can give entry from this gate, and you have secure for first and second floor. So basement car parking or go down. First floor you have shop, then sorry, ground floor you have shop, and first floor you have 2 bhk and second floor 2 bhk, and main road is 50 feet road. So this is the surroundings. Walkable from HM Old City, and this is the surroundings. Even opposite sides are all BDA. So let's go to the basement and have a look. So this is the basement. Easily two cars can be parked, or else in future you can easily convert it into shop also, or else go down space. So two cars easily can be parked here, and bikes. So very good parking in basement then too. It is not ground floor. So here you have some tank, Kaveri connection, and this side you have water harvesting, rainwater harvesting. Now rain is coming, you can see not even one drop of water is entering inside. So let's go to ground floor. So here you have way to first floor. Then here you have one shop which is 330 square feet, and here small storage space. So here you have meter connections. So this is the shop, 330 square feet. Can easily given for a big shop. So this is the view from the shop. All you have residential houses and a wide road. So very good for commercial renting of purpose, for rental income. As from here you have separate entry, you can use for only this shop, and from there you can use for residential purpose. And SS railing. So let's go to first floor. You have total secure entrance, and total granite you have even here. Granite has been given. Even staircase is granite. So let's go to first floor. So here you have east facing entrance, SS railing and toughened glass. This is the east facing entrance. So this is the foyer. Here you have this is the hall. Here one bedroom and another bedroom here, and here you have a washroom and kitchen. So this is the bedroom. So there is no attached washroom. You have just one common washroom, and this is the hall. And this is another bedroom. And this is the washroom. Here you have small hand wash area. And this is the kitchen. So first floor, second floor, similar concept, same setup. So quick view, this is the hall, one bedroom, another bedroom, and here you have a common washroom, kitchen, and this is foyer and entrance. So this is way to second floor. So second floor of this similar like first floor setup. Same east facing door, and this leads to terrace. So this is the terrace. So that is the Prestige Falcon. So very good approach, and this is the main road, which is wide enough, around 50 feet. This is the surroundings. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.